Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and this is the mouth of a beautiful 38-year-old woman. She's beautiful, but obviously her mouth is far from beautiful. And if nothing were to be done, these teeth would definitely be lost. Who knows how long it's been since she's brushed? I would have to say, since she's brushed or had her teeth cleaned, 15 years, maybe longer. It's really a horrible situation. So really what she needs, and I do think we can save these teeth, but really what we need to do is we need to get all of this tartar, all of this calculus off of the teeth, then use Nemeth to kill the parasites and the bacteria that are under the gum, under all of this tartar and calculus that are destroying the bone. If that's done, I think she's got a chance to save all of these teeth, but she has to reform her ways. She has to brush and she has to do her home care the way we show her. But this is really an unusual and a really sad case for a beautiful young woman of only 38 years old to come in with this kind of neglect. It's really sad. This is another view. This is the back of the lower front teeth, which also, these teeth are almost tied together by the calculus. There's so much of it. It's been there for so long. And here's another view. So I can't even imagine how she's not embarrassed to smile. She probably smiles little, if at all, because although the face is beautiful, this ruins everything. At any rate, remember, if your mouth's not healthy, you are not going to be healthy. So healthy mouth, healthier body. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Questions, comments, we would love to hear from you. Most importantly, have a very good day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.